Hey guys, Noel here. We're back with another video. So today we'll be installing AWE exhaust on the GR86. Now we're gonna listen for the stock exhaust for the last time. So I'll go ahead and make a few laps, so check how quiet this car is. Okay, I hope you can hear me on this mic, but that's with the GR right now. That's how it sounds right now. Then we'll go ahead and change that. Now that we have jacked up the car in the air, now we can proceed with the installation. So we went with AWE Touring Edition, because 3-inch pipe, and we went with the black diamond tips. I think that's what it's called. That looks really good over here. We'll go ahead and put that on the car. Just put it probably on time lapse so we can install it quick. Old exhaust is out. Now we're gonna put the new one in. We have dropped the car now. Now we'll do a cold start. Let's go try it out. So loud. Okay, now the car is a bit warm. We'll go ahead and take it for a spin. Let's go. This sounds pretty good. This sounds pretty good than my BRZ. We'll go ahead and go to the freeway probably and just try it out. Oh, never mind. We can go around the street nearby my home. Check it out how it goes. this would be a good spot, like a freeway entrance, to do this. You guys can hear this because like I put the mic all the way back there. Okay, that sounds so good. So we're at cruising speeds right now. I don't want to push the car too much. It's still brand new, but like we're just doing 4,000 RPMs and that sounds really good. Okay guys, see you on the next one.